Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to make your lock screen come alive with a lock screen video. Now, usually when it comes over into wallpapers, I highly suggest never using any type of movement of background or any type of video as your wallpaper, because a lot of times when you are in your phone and it's unlocked, this is where it's going to drain your battery life. But when it does come down over into your lock screen, you're not really in your lock screen so often. A lot of times if you are looking at your lock screen, it's going to unlock extremely fast, or it'll usually time out within 10 seconds. So it's not really killing the battery life of your device. So now to set this up, you want to press and hold anywhere on the screen where there's no application, folder, or widget, or you'd be able to do a little fast pinch to zoom, and then on the very bottom left-hand side, you're going to see the option for wallpapers. Now you have all the normal different wallpapers that's right there. That is already by default. They're pre-installed. You also have all these different features down here that has all these different themes, but I'm going to click the one for gallery. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down till you see the video you would like to use. And so with this one here, you might get a little notification on the bottom that states the video you selected is too long. Tap the button below to trim it down of a maximum of 15 seconds. So here we go. We're going to go down and edit this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this all the way to the end, because I know that at the very beginning there's really nothing going on. And I do want to give a shout out to my buddy Jeremy V. You are spotlighted here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to kind of bring this in, and you're able to make it anywhere as long as it's within the 15 seconds. So I'm going to hit on play. I'm going to see what it looks like. Even though there's a whole bunch of different sound that's going on, because this is the lock screen, there will be no sound with it, but you don't need to have sound happening on your lock screen. Now there's a little bit more of a little celebration in the background. I don't really need that. Now let's see what it looks like. And that works perfectly for me. So now you just hit on the done option. This is saving it as a new video. And then right now what you're able to do, if you needed to, you can edit it differently, or you can just now set this thing as your wallpaper. Now that this thing has been set, this is again used as the lock screen. Now you're not able to use videos inside of here with that little feature that you've seen. This will definitely only be used for the lock screen. Similar to what I've mentioned from before, you don't want to have it as a normal wallpaper because it'll just drain your battery. You might as well just keep it as your lock screen. So in this way, you're able to have a fun different lock screen. And a fun thing you can do is just press and hold somewhere on the screen, and all your different lock screen notifications and information and numbers goes away, just so you can watch the video go back and forth. And it's just a replaying GIF, which is just super amazing and fun. And then anytime that you are ready, you're able to go through there, either look at it through your iris, facial recognition, fingerprint reader, or your PIN, password, or anything else. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can do that below the video, or you can do a little subscription button right over here. You can subscribe that way as well. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. So in this way, if anybody has the Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, they are able to set a video as their lock screen and definitely just get it fully personalized to them. Outside of that, I'll see you guys later.